DAULATPUR SAFAN. Food department officials, accompanied by local police, raided the warehouses and premises of several wheat hoarders, including traders Prem Chand and Amanat Ali Arain. During the operation, a large quantity of wheat sacks was taken into government custody and loaded onto tractor trolleys at the official rate for relocation. When a team of journalists arrived at the scene to cover the operation, no responsible officer from the food department was present. Multiple attempts were made to reach the relevant authorities, but no official could be contacted. Traders alleging financial losses. The affected traders stated that they had purchased the wheat at a rate of 4,400 Pakistani rupees to 4,500 Pakistani rupees per mond 40 text kilogram. However, the food department is seizing and removing the stock at the official rate of 3,500 Pakistani rupees per mond, causing them millions of rupees in financial losses. It is worth noting that the food department had failed to meet its set wheat procurement targets. Consequently, following directions from the Sindh government, raids are being conducted on the warehouses of wheat hoarders to take stock into custody. The food department is mistreating traders to cover up its own incompetence, inflicting unjustified financial losses upon us, stated trader Prem Chand. Note: the official stance of the food department was not received prior to the publication of this report. Any statement provided later will be incorporated accordingly.